Well, hello everybody, and welcome to the IBC back office, or commonly known, my home. Why don't you come inside and let's take a look around. So here is where all the magic happens. So you'll see our SDI to IP converters, some of our video sources, our control network with some more video sources below that. And then we move down to probably the most important bit of kit in the house, the PTP and Blackburst generator, our two Mellanox switches because we're running an air gap system, and sitting at the bottom is the Imagine SNMP, which is generating the 4 UHD streams. Then moving across here, we have the SDI router. So our good friends from AGA with their Kuma 32 squared, providing SDI routing, and then we have a color bars test pattern on the smaller one. And then we have our 12 gig SDI sources, 2 of them for the Blackmagic players, and then 2 of them HD up converted by the Terranex into 12 gig SDI, and then available throughout the facility. And it wouldn't be a back office without an SX, and we've got the tag here working its socks off on both SDI and IP, along with a 5600 and a QXL, because they're the only test and measurement tools you need when it comes to running a trade show like this. So welcome to my world, and it will disappear at 4 o'clock this afternoon like magic, back into its boxes, and then it will reappear in Las Vegas in April in 2026.